So yeah, this last year has been an interesting one.
The mystery virus started here in the city of Wuhan.
The World Health Organization has officially called it COVID-19.
Unwelcome but expected, the coronavirus has hit the UK.
You must stay at home. You may only leave home for specific reasons.
In the last few minutes, we've heard that the first coronavirus vaccine has been approved for use in the UK.
So I know I've done a really poor job at documenting this, but surprise, I bought a van and I've been kitting it out as a camper van to travel around the UK. I'm now at this beautiful spot. For the first time I've actually cracked out the laptop and I'm going over some of the footage I've recorded. Just as a by-the-by, these aren't going to be frequent. I don't know when I'm going to be able to actually upload them. I just don't want all of the faff, really. I kind of want to keep this focused and concise, like trim the fat a bit. A new GoPro. I've still got the old one, but I bought this one. It's the Hero 9 Black Edition. I bought it because it's supposed to have fantastic stabilisation, and from the footage that I've actually looked at, it looks really good. And also behind me you can probably see my laptop. This is a Dell XPS 15. It's very expensive and very powerful, so I can do all my editing on it and it will handle it fantastically. I also bought a MIDI keyboard so I can make music. You may have noticed that I've already uploaded some older videos with new music in them. That's because it's the music that I made myself.
That's why I switched to the GoPro. Had like 5 minutes of like sunshine and now I've pissed it down with rain again.
Okay, so after the disaster that was yesterday, hopefully I'm not making the same mistake twice by going on another little venture today. But this time I bought gloves, so hopefully my fingers won't freeze. But sky looks nice, bit cloudy, but pretty sunny, as you might be able to tell. So I'm hoping today's going to be a good one. And I'm going to check out some waterfalls. So that was waterfall 1 of 4. So I've got 3 more to go. I've just crossed the river. It's going to take me back to that first waterfall and then on to the other 3. That's now 2 down and another 2 to go. That is so cool. I want to go. That's it. Number 4. Done. Man, great timing, because it is starting to rain. Oh, I should get back to the van very quick.